Well, high temperatures today, 99 here at the TV station. It was 100 at Monticello, Logansport, Rochester, Kokomo, Atlanta, Crawfordsville, Perrysville, as well as Terre Haute, Indiana, down towards Indianapolis, all at 101. And I tell you, a lot of places had 100. Fort Wayne hit 100. I believe Flint, Michigan had 101 today. So it was hot everywhere, and tonight it's still steamy in the viewing area. Notice a little bit of haze downtown Lafayette via our RenCam, and temperature's still pretty warm. It's 82 at the station, 77 Attica and Frankfort. A lot of these areas are a little cooler, had some rain earlier, still 82 at Rensselaer. But on Precision, rain's gone. We had a few of those isolated storms earlier. They're falling apart, pulling away, but the upper ridge of heat and the cap is kind of flattening out now. You can see these showers and storms moving this way, these kind of working their way off to the west, the ring of fire pattern, and there's a cold front about right here. You can see some of the storms along it. That front will slowly drift southward tomorrow and bring a few more scattered storms to the area. But what I think will happen, the front will come through, it'll get just a hair cooler, and then the heat wave that's certainly flattening out right now will kind of move west, bulge out, and then move back east, and it will be back to 100 degrees next week. So here we go again with the heat wave and the rough summer rolling along here. Tomorrow, you know, there could be a little fog in places in the morning, especially if you got rain today, but a muggy 74. Clouds bubbling up. Notice the high of 98. Winds out of the west-southwest 10 to 20 through most of the day. Heat index to 105 and 30 to 35% coverage. Scattered storms tomorrow afternoon. Some of you are going to get the rain and some just aren't going to get anything. At least we'll have a few more showers and storms Thursday. Average coverage 30 to 40%, and the hotter than normal weather and drier than normal than weather, you know, it's going to roll on right through July. We may get a slight break, at least for maybe a week, towards early August. Tonight, though, again, we're going mostly clear. Tomorrow, some scattered storms here and there popping, and because it's so boiling hot, I would not rule out one or two storms popping out of brief damaging wind gusts. That's not out of the question. Tomorrow, on these boiling hot days, you can get microbursts that just fan out of a few storms. Tonight, we're talking 70 to 75, 74 Lafayette, 73 Monticello, and 72 Logansport, Burlington. 95 to 100 tomorrow, 100 Crawfordsville, down towards Lebanon, but 99 Camden, 98 Chalmers, and 95 Morocco. Thursday, still a few scattered showers and storms around, with the front slowly sinking southward. 89 Rochester, 90 Lafayette, and 92 at Perrysville. There is the front right there with some of the scattered storms along it. Kind of pulls off to the south, washes out, and then the heat dome kind of re-expands. And you can see that in the 7-day forecast. We go mostly sunny. 94 for Dancing in the Streets Saturday. Humidity held in check that day. The boy next week, 100 Monday and Tuesday, with a lot of dry weather in that forecast. Long range data, a lot of hot weather, but we may have a very slight break with highs in the 80s once we get probably into early August, Dan, from what I was looking at tonight.
Well, that'll feel like winter.
Yeah, 85 or 86. Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Okay.
You're Chad. I
Yeah.
forgot your name for a second.
Are you okay?
You know, you're Mike Clef,
Yes.
and you know the person I'm interested in knowing about is Andrew Luck. What's up with him? Are we going to see that?
Well, it's